Next sum, number 30. Force F bar equals to 2I cap plus 2K cap dyne. Displaces particle by amount of 2I cap plus 2J cap in meter. Centimeter is 16 seconds. Find what is power. Power means rate of doing work, and work is dot product of force and displacement. This line is important first. Power means work upon time. Work is force into displacement. So 2I cap plus 2K cap dot of 2I plus 2J upon time is 16. 2I means 2 into 2 plus there is no J in the F, so 0 into 2 plus 2 into 0 upon 16. Any doubt first line? This line what I am doing?
Yes, sir.
So 4 upon 16, 1 by 4, 0.25 CGS is erg upon second. 0.25 erg upon second is given in option D.
Done, sir.
Next one, 31. A force displaces an object by 3I minus 2J. Find work done. Please try on your own this one. Anybody got answer?
Is that B?
5J.
Yes, P is correct. Now while writing formula, don't make mistake in writing W bar. It is a scalar quantity. F bar dot S bar plus 2J dot with 3I minus 2J. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into minus 2. 9 minus 4 equal to 5 joule. B is correct option. 32. Angle between vector I plus j and j plus k will be. See, this is not x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This is among themselves. What is the angle? So 32, angle between I cap plus j cap and j cap plus k cap. So whenever you have to find angle between two vectors, use dot product. So if I call this as A bar, let A bar is I cap plus j cap and B bar equals to j cap plus k cap. So dot product of A with B is AB into cos. Therefore cos theta equals to A bar dot B bar upon AB. A is I cap plus j cap, its dot with j cap plus k cap upon root of 1 square plus 1 square, root of 1 square plus 1 square. So this will become now I coefficient 1, no I coefficient there, 0, plus j coefficient 1, j coefficient 1, plus 0 into 1 upon root of 1 square 1, 1 square 1, so 2. This is also 2. So this will become 1 upon 2. Can you tell now cos theta half means which angle? 60 degree?
Yes.
Yes.
Answer is 60 degree.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sum number 33. The area of parallelogram formed from the vectors a bar and b bar as adjacent side is. So area of parallelogram formula is magnitude of cross product. If they want in magnitude, then magnitude of cross product. Otherwise, area is also vector quantity. Now, how to get a bar cross b bar? Determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap. Then a vector ka coefficients 1, -2 and 3. Then 3 -2 plus k cap, so plus 1. This will be I cap bracket minus j cap bracket plus k cap bracket. To solve this bracket, for I na forget I, cross multiply the other two row. -2 into 1 is -2. Then minus minus plus 3 2s are 6. For j forget j. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 3s are 9. बीच में -9. For k forget k. -2 minus minus plus 6. So we get 4 I cap. 1 minus 9 is -8. So plus 8 j cap. -2 plus 4 is 4. Plus 4 k cap. Therefore, area is its magnitude. Root of 4 square plus 8 square plus 4 square. So 4 is 16, 8 square 64 plus 16 in root. So 16 and 16 is 32. 32 and 64 will become 96. 16 6 is 96. So 4 root 6. Just check. है क्या option 4 root 6? 4 root 6 है D option.
Yes, sir. D option.
D option.
Done, sir.
And 34 will see. Everybody has done? Can I clear it off?
Yes.
Sir.
34. A vector f bar is along positive x-axis its vector product with another vector f2 bar will be 0. F bar is along positive x-axis, मतलब प्लस आई कैप पे है. If its vector product with another vector f2 bar, f1 bar का vector product of f2 bar we want 0. कभी possible है ये? When f1 bar is parallel to f2 bar और f1 bar is anti-parallel, है ना?
Yes.
पैरेलल मतलब सेम लाइन में, एंटी पैरेलल मतलब उल्टा भी चलेगा. सो जस्ट चेक. और आई कैप में है क्या? है -4i में. तो डी इज द ऑप्शन. अंडरस्टूड कॉन्सेप्ट ना? ये प्लस आई, दूसरा वाला आई पे भी चलेगा, माइनस आई पे भी चलेगा, तो -i डी.
Done, sir.
Okay, 35. Angle between a bar cross b bar and b bar cross a bar. So this is, if inward then this will be outward, no? Cross product mein. Or this is right then this is left, no? They are just opposite of each other.
Yes.
So can I say angle is 180 degree then? A bar cross B bar can be anywhere, right, left, upper, niche, inward, outward. But B bar cross A bar is exactly opposite of that. So angle between two opposite, how much? 180 or not?
Yes.
And therefore answer is 180. 180 means pi. Next, 36. You are given two vector A bar and B bar. Which of the following operation cannot be performed? You are given two vector which cannot be performed. Addition can be performed by two vector. Hello?
No, sir.
We can't. We can. Na?
Yes, sir, we can.
We can. Can we perform subtraction?
No.
दो वेक्टर सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है ना, ए बार वही तो पैरेललोग्राम में.
Yes, sir.
मल्टीप्लाई होता है दो वेक्टर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
खाली वो डिवीजन सुना ही नहीं ना कभी आपने, तो डी नहीं हो सकता. ए बार अपॉन बी बार वी डोंट डिवाइड इट. Coordinates of vector A are 0, 3, -1 and B is -2, 6, 4. What is the net displacement from A to B? See, this is suppose A, this is B, this is called position vector, R1 bar, R2 bar, and this is displacement from A to B. कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लो, उसके बाद तो एक लाइन है. B का कोऑर्डिनेट A से माइनस करना पड़ता है. So from this I can say vector OA plus vector AB is same as vector BA. Is equal to vector OB by triangle of vector H. So AB vector will be OB vector minus OA vector. That is R2 bar minus R1 bar. ये meaning. Now R2 bar मतलब इसका -2 I cap, x के साथ I cap, y is j cap plus 4k cap minus of 0 I cap plus 3j cap minus 1k cap. So minus 2i minus 0i is minus 2i. 6 minus 3 is plus 3. 4 minus minus plus 1, 5k cap. Check है क्या आंसर? minus 2i plus 3j minus 2i plus 3j plus 5k. D ऑप्शन. फिर से बताओ कि समझा बराबर?
समझा।
अभी ए बी का डिस्प्लेसमेंट ना शॉर्टकट है सब. बी का कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस ए का कोऑर्डिनेट कर दो. तो -2 -0 आई कैप, 6 -3 जे कैप, 4 माइनस माइनस प्लस. उल्टा भी जा सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं.
Done.
Done, sir.
What is angle subtended by vector a bar equals to 4i cap plus 3j cap plus 12k cap with x-axis? Can you tell me answer angle with x-axis? Cos alpha equals to ax upon a.
Ax upon a.
Ax means 4 and a is 4 square plus 3 square plus 12 square. That means it is 4 upon 4 square 16 plus 9 plus 144. So this will become 169. That means 4 by 13. है 4 by 13. Cos में 4 by 13 है. Cos में है 4 by 13. Last वाला t. Done?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A vector which has magnitude of 8 unit, magnitude is 8, is added to vector p bar which lies along x-axis. P bar which is along x-axis, that means it is something I cap x-axis पे है. Resultant of two vector lies along y-axis. So resultant of a bar vector and p bar vector is along y-axis. If magnitude of resultant is twice that of p का magnitude, then magnitude of p is how much? Then magnitude of vector p is how much? सोच के करो एकदम अच्छा समय. A is having magnitude 8, p is along x-axis. So some vector here p is along x-axis. A and p when you add, its resultant is along y. याद आया ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट? रिजल्टेंट परपेंडिकुलर हुआ तो आपको बोला था मैंने ये बनाना पहले. याद आया? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
So p bar is one vector which is along x-axis, and A is some vector has magnitude 8. P और Q का result along y आ गया, मतलब perpendicular. If P का magnitude is suppose x, तो R का magnitude बोला है 2x ना, double of P. So पूछा है what is that P? Everybody has followed very difficult sum. If once you have understood, then physics is very simple. Again I'm saying. Nandani, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Now this is 8, this is x, this is 2x, r is 2x. Can I use Pythagoras theorem? मतलब r का स्क्वायर इस p का स्क्वायर प्लस q का स्क्वायर ना.
Yes, sir.
रॉन्ग है ये. ये हो गया ना, ये अगर मैं q लो मतलब वो a का मैग्नीट्यूड, तो इधर है ना वो. हाँ, ये 2x बाहर दिख रहा है, लेकिन है r का करना है ना मुझे. दिस स्क्वायर प्लस दिस स्क्वायर, मतलब r स्क्वायर प्लस p स्क्वायर इज 8 स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टूड नाउ? Have you understood now?
Yes.
This is 2x, this is x, and this is 8 now. So 2x the whole square plus x square is 64. That means 4x square plus x square is 64. So 5x square is 64. X square is 64 upon 5. So what will be x? 8 upon root 5. Okay. 8 upon root 5 is, yeah, D.
Done, sir.
48. Two of the same magnitude, two vector of same magnitude होगा. Two vector of same magnitude has resultant equal to either. Can anybody tell me? This I have explained. When two vectors are same and result is also same, then angle between them is dash
120 degree.
1. So in case we forget, so P is one vector, Q is another vector, same magnitude. Resultant is either of this. And what is angle? 120 is perfectly fine. In case you forget, then r square is p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. That is a square is equals to a square plus 2aa cos of theta. So a square is equals to 2a square plus 2a square into cos theta. Minus a square is 2a square cos theta. A square is square. Minus half is cos theta. Cos of which angle is half? That angle is 120 degree. So theta is 120 degree. Option D.
Done, sir.
Done. Next one. What is magnitude of two vectors? Addition of two vector 6i plus 7j plus 3i. We want its magnitude. So this will become 9i plus 7j. So magnitude, if I call this as C bar, This is nothing but root of 9 square plus 7 square. 81 plus 49. 81 plus 49 will become 130. 130. नहीं हुआ.
सर क्वेश्चन अलग है. 6i plus 7j cap and 3i cap plus 4j cap है.
4j हाँ आगे प्रिंट है. Sorry I am extremely sorry. अरे वैष्णवी has become very smart. वैष्णवी 11j. So 11 square. Great Vaishnavi. This is the way it should work. 121. So this is equals to 202. Okay. See. One more last. Same thing I think we have done. Similar type it got us repeated. 42. Last sum for today.
Done, sir.
Done. 42. The resultant of two forces acting at angle of 120 degrees 10 kg weight. Resultant is 10 kg weight and it is perpendicular to one of the force. So resultant is 10. It is result of two vector which are acting at 120 degree. Find one of the force and perpendicular to one of the force, that force is how much? If this angle is 120, what will be this angle? 60 na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say here, this adjacent side I want, opposite is given 10. So tan of 60 is opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan 60 we all know it is root 3. And that resultant is given as 10 upon P. So P equals to 10 upon root 3. Yes, it is there, D option. Completed now?
Done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Write tomorrow's test properly.